Alright, hello you guys, this is LuckyKiller13 here, and I'll be showing you how to remove hard drive for your 360 from an HDD drive, as you can see. Now, what you're going to need is going to be a Torx 6 T6 and a Torx 10 T10, and I guess a small screwdriver, yeah. You can find it in the store. It's a pack like this. You got Torxes right there, you got your pluses right there, you got your minus, and then you got the square things. I never use them. But yeah, so I will be showing you how to remove it. You're just gonna, okay, first you're gonna have to take this sticker off right here, as you can see. It's not really good quality, because this is potato, potato quality. Pretty good, but it's okay. But yeah, gonna have to take this one out. The screws you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you would have to start going inside, but I will pause now. Alright, so now I've taken it apart, and that's how it looks like. And here are the 4 screws right here for the T6. You have to use the T6 first, and then you're gonna have to use the T10, which, just wait. Alright. Alright, sorry about that, but you're gonna have to use the T10 to get the 4 screws. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Just those 4. And then under that is the hard drive, and that's gonna be just that. Alright, we paused out. Alright, now since I've already taken out the screws, this is how it looks like from the inside. There's the hard drive, which is either 20, 60, 1, I don't know what kind of memory it is. But yeah, that's how I did it on my 20, so it worked. So now this is the 60, which I just got. And yeah, so you just gotta have to disconnect it from this thing right here, which is already plugged in, and then you're gonna have to try to get this out, like try to lift it out, kind of like that, and there. So now just go wherever your thing is for your hard drives to be put in for your Xbox 360 Slim, and just put it in there. But just keep it in tight. That's it. Alright? Alright, see you guys.